Hi there, students. Internecine. Okay, internecine is an adjective. We use it in 3 different ways, but they're related. So, internecine meaning mutually destructive, bad for both sides. An internecine conflict hurts both sides in the conflict. An internecine war in which one side bombs the cities of the other, and vice versa. Fatal and ruinous to both sides. Okay, we also use internecine to talk about internal disputes. A struggle or a fight inside a nation, civil war, an organisation, a group, a family. So internecine struggles led to the Spanish Civil War in 1936. An internecine blood feud. This is 2 gangs killing the members of each other's gang. Internecine conflicts between Catholics and Protestants have led to millions of deaths over the centuries. Internal power struggles. And then finally we use internecine meaning full of bloodshed, slaughter, killing, maiming, destruction. The event set off internecine fighting. It was bloody and murderous. So, the internecine struggles of the Borgias were mutually destructive. Yeah, they were internal fighting and they were characterized by bloody slaughter. So if you say the internecine struggles of the Borgia family, you're using it in all 3 ways at the same time. It's mutually destructive for both parties in the fight, it's an internal power struggle, and there are killings and people are dying. So, bad for everyone concerned. Mad, mutually assured destruction. They use this to talk about atomic weapons, and this is clearly an internecine policy. An internal feud. The internecine boardroom disputes. The internecine boardroom fighting. Internecine strife among the members of a family. And then full of death and destruction. I think war, by definition, is internecine. Okay, how formal is this? This is a formal word. I'm going to give this an 8, 8.5. I think if you use this in a conversation in the pub, they'll probably say, and what does that mean? I guess you could just about use it in something semi-formal writing, but it's best for a very formal writing. It's best for an essay or something like that is very formal. Okay? And this word internecine, it comes from Latin internecinus, inter, among, and necare, to kill. So infighting, killing each other, a mutiny, a revolt by one part of the country. Okay, so internecine, mutually destructive, internal power struggles and disputes, and bloody murder, slaughterous. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Internecine.